everyone, good day. Have you ever stared at a blank screen and felt like, oh, how I wish I have an assistant? Or have you ever been in a situation whereby you have lots of works to do and you felt like, oh, how am I going to go about this? I just want to let you know that you can actually use AI to multitask, and then you can use AI for workflow, for easy workflow. So AI, as we all know it, AI is not just something that acts as a magic machine, something that generates things out of nowhere. No, think of AI as an assistant which you can actually send on an errand, and it would actually work out things for you. So yeah, I want to talk about how to use AI to automate repetitive tasks, whereby the best way to use AI is to delegate the problem or what you want to sort. You should give it a clear defined prompt. You should type in a prompt that would make the AI understand that, okay, this is actually what you want to do. This is the result it is going to give out. So have a clear defined prompt. A prompt does not have to be long, something you write out. It can be short, clearly defined, which you can give to the AI, and then it will generate out things for you. So for your brainstorming, for outlining, for inbox sorting, for data formatting, you can actually use AI tools for all these four problems. So how do you do it? How do you go about this? After giving it a prompt, it generates a result. And after generating a result, what do? You make sure you cross-check the result, check if it is the desired output which you require, check if this is check if it is correct, and if there are corrections to be made, make sure you regenerate a new prompt and then give it to the AI. So where do you draw the line here? Because people have been asking these questions, that AI has come to take people's job. AI is here for people to over depend on it. Where do you draw the line here? Why tools like Gemini, ChatGPT, Cloud are being used by people now? Over reliance on them can lead to generic work or skill fade, whereby it just starts to generate things that out of context, or people's skills start to fade, like people's skills start to diminish. So what do you do here? This is where you build yourself. Make sure that you maintain your skill 100%. Make sure that if you even upgrade on the skills you have, you don't rely on AI to do everything for you. There are specific tasks which you can do by yourself, while other tasks you can automate. It's called automation, whereby you give a machine to do your work after giving it a prompt, after giving it a clear defined purpose. So yeah, you make sure that you maintain your skill 100%, or you upgrade on them. And what you can do also is to cross-check every result you are getting from the machine. Every result you are getting from it, make sure you cross-check whether they are correct, whether they are factual, whether they are it is not machine generated. Make sure that it is not fictional or something like that. So another thing is security and ethics. Never feed highly sensitive information to AI or your client's data into public AI models, because when you do this, it will be an output for another user also, and then the information becomes public, which in a circumstances like that, you may find yourself being sued to court for data how did they say it? You may find yourself being sued for publicizing data which are supposed to be sensitive or be kept or be secret. So don't do that in your work or in your field. Never do that. And put into practice Don't try to automate your whole day at once, or don't try to automate everything at work. Make sure you do some specific things by yourself. Whatever takes the most time sometimes doesn't require you. You can give that to the machine, it would sort that out. So just draft the prompt, test and refine the results. And if you are curious about creating more customized workflows, more easy customized workflows, you can learn about AI tools, you can ask professionals, you can go online, search for resources, and then develop more. So that is all I have to say. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.